Hello students, we are going to discuss about the basic shapes of geometry. So let's start. Geometry. So first question in my mind pop up, that is, what is geometry? So the word geometry is the English equivalent of Greek word geometron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. It is the study of shape and size. Geometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the properties and relation of lines, angles, surfaces, and solids. In today's life, geometrical ideas are reflected in all forms of art, architecture, engineering, clothing design, etc. We also observe and use the different objects like boxes, tables, books, tiffin that students can carry to school for lunch, and the balls with which we play, and so on. All such objects have different shapes. So here you will learn some interesting facts that will help you know more about the shapes around you. So let's start with the first shape, point. There is no proper definition of point, but for the basic idea, point is a location in a space. A point is named by a capital letter and its location may be indicated by a dot like this. It can be written as a capital letter. You can take any capital letter over here and it's indicated like this, and it can be said as point A. Now some examples of point in day-to-day life are the tip of a compass, the sharpened end of a pencil, the pointed end of a needle. Next is line segment. Fold a piece of a paper and unfold it. Now, as you can see here, this unfold line, that is represent the idea of line segment. Now, let's take another example. Take a thin thread, hold its two ends and stretch it without a slip. It also represents a line segment. Definition: a segment is a part of a line consisting of two endpoints and all points between. As you can see here, this pink portion is a small part of line and this is our line segment. These 2 points A and B are the end point. It can be written as AB or BA. Examples: an edge of a box. All the edges of the boxes are the examples of line segment. A tube light, an edge of a postcard. Now, imagine that the line segment from A to B is extended beyond A in one direction and beyond B in the other direction. And now you get the model of line. A line through 2 points A and B is written as line AB. Its symbol is like this. It extends indefinitely in both directions, so it contains countless number of points. 2 points are enough to fix a line. We can say that 2 points determine a line. The adjacent diagram is that of a line PQ written as line PQ. Sometimes a line is denoted by a letter like L and M. So there is a two way to represent the line. We can use both the endpoints and written like this, or by a single small alphabet we can also represent the line. Now let's discuss some different types of lines. intersecting lines. Definition: two or more lines meet at a point are called intersecting lines. That point would be on each of these lines. Here is the example, or we can say that the diagram of intersecting lines. Two lines, line X and Y, and their intersecting point is Q. Now here Q is on both lines, on X and on Y. In the figure, line X and Y are intersecting lines and intersecting at the point Q. Examples: crossing roads, alphabetic letter X, Caesar. Next is parallel lines. Definition: parallel lines are coplanar lines that do not intersect. Coplanar means at the place when both lines are drawn. Illustration: use arrow to indicate lines are parallel. So if your lines looking like this, that means both of the lines are parallel to each other. Two standing line is the notation, or it can written as is parallel to. So if I want to represent this line in the symbolic format, so I will use this symbol. L is parallel to M. Same for the line AB and CD. Examples: railway tracks, opposite edges of the ruler. Now the next topic is ray. Definition: a ray is a portion of line. It starts at one point, we can say it the starting point, and go endlessly in a direction. Here is the diagram of ray. As you can see here, A is the starting point and B shows the direction of the ray. Notation. Now some examples: beam of a light from a lighthouse, ray of the light from torch, the very basic idea, that is sun rays. So in today's class we discuss some basic shapes, and the next class we will discuss it about more. Thank you.